Alam po ninyo, pag bumili kayo ng strata property, siguraduhin po ninyong mabuti na basahin ninyo yung mga regulations at restrictions with the strata. Katulad ng kung meron ba itong age limit, pet restrictions, or number of occupancy in the unit. Kasi some of us think na akin na itong property, therefore I can do whatever I want inside my unit. Hindi po. If there are restrictions, then you will need to abide by those. Meron po akong kliyente na hindi po niya dineclare na meron po silang anak na sasama sa property. Ngayon, yung binili nila is a one-bedroom place. So, nung nag-move in sila, nalaman ng strata, therefore the strata imposed fines on them kasi they were in violation of the strata regulations. So, make sure, alam niyo yung mga restrictions and you make sure na pasok kayo doon sa mga restrictions ng property na binibili ninyo. Now, if you need more information, i-contact lang po ninyo ako. This is Mylene Lim, ang inyong Pinay Mortgage Broker.